Okay, so this is the disk cleanup. The last two sections are remaining: disk cleanup and pin and unpin in page number 25. So what is disk cleanup? So the lines I have underlined here, the important line, it is a software or a program that removes unnecessary files from the computer system and frees up your space on the disk drive. Okay, whatever drive you select, C, D, E, whatever you select, those that disk, from that part of the drive, the unnecessary files which are no longer required by the system will be cleared. How does it work? Click on Start, All Programs, then you move to Accessories, then you go to System Tools, this one, and from there you'll get Disk Cleanup. So this is the software. Whichever drives you want, C, D, E, whichever you want, you select it. So D drive I wanted, click on OK. Then this is the window appears. So from here you click on, suppose, recycle bin. If there is some files is there, it will show you the size. From D I have no unnecessary files, so you can view also the files, but there is no file. But if there is, just select it and click OK. It will give you the message clear. So it is cleaning, so the files has been cleared. Okay, so if there is more file, it will take some few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. If there is less file, it will take less time. So this is about this cleanup option and what is the use. Okay, next comes is pin and unpin. What is pin and unpin? Pin means pinning up. Suppose you require a program every 5 or 10 minutes regularly, that is, you want regularly. Suppose you have to go to all programs and then you go to what, accessories, then system tools, and then you have to open what, disk cleanup. So what I do is I right click on it and then you select on pin to taskbar. So now it is here in the taskbar on the left side, disk cleanup. So just click on it, it will arrive. No need to go to that section, all programs, accessories, system tool, disk cleaner. So it will save the time. So that is the use of pin. Okay. Now the next section is unpin. How to unpin? What are the steps? These are the steps. Suppose if I want to remove from this taskbar, I'll right click on it, and from there you select the second option, unpin this program from the taskbar. So it is vanished. Okay, the program gets removed from the taskbar. Okay, so that completes this lesson explanation. These are the important points. Go through the important points, and the next is the exercise. So I gave it as a homework to do question number A, B, and C, as well as question number F and G. So tick mark, true and false, fill in the blanks, match the following, unscramble words, try to do on your own in the book. Write the answer in the book with a pencil. Okay, only the question answer from D and question number E you have to write in the copy when I give in the WhatsApp computer group of your class. Okay, so that completes this lesson. Thank you for watching.